How to see your search history on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application and it will lead you here to your home page, right? Now on the bottom part, you will see 6 different options there. You will see home, video, friends, marketplace, notifications, and menu. So tap on the three dash lines and go to settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now, first and foremost, what you're gonna do is to ensure that you have saved a specific date where you can save your search history. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm trying to say. So go here to your account center. Now under account center, tap on your personal information and permissions. Now here you'll see search history. Now here as you can see, as I have mentioned, you can keep searches for 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, or default. So you will see all your Facebook searches from the past years. So let's say you have already set it to 3 days here only. So that means after 3 days, all your search history will be gone, will be deleted. Or if you have tap on the 30 days, then after a month, all your search history will be gone on Facebook. Now, as you can see, I have here default. That means even if it takes 5 years or 7 years, my search history is still intact on my Facebook. Now, where can you see your search history? Well, you can see your search history on here. It's actually very simple. Tap on your homepage here, and on the upper right, you'll see the magnifying glass here, the search icon. Tap on that, and basically you will see your search history here. And then let's say you want to delete your search history, then tap on delete. And basically you can also tap on see all here. As you can see, recent, and let's say you want to see all your search history, tap on see all, and here you'll see all your search history. And let's say you want to delete it, then just tap on the X mark on the right side. And basically that's it. That is how you see your search history on Facebook, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.